Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you how you can scale your Advantage Plus campaigns. I'm gonna explain to you a couple of ways that you can do it, what you need to be looking for, and how to do it. So here are my computer, guys. This is a test account, and I will explain to you first the couple of ways that you can scale your Advantage Plus campaigns. The first one and the easiest one, and the one that I use the most, is by increasing the budget with up to 20% every 3 to 4 days. I have found this method to be the one that works best for me and for the accounts that I manage, so I use it the most. The next one is to duplicate your campaign. So you're gonna just duplicate the Advantage Plus campaign without making any changes besides the budget. And don't worry about competing with yourself, because Advantage Plus audiences are fairly big, especially if you're in the United States, so you won't be competing with yourself. The next way that you can scale your Advantage Plus campaign is by duplicating it and creating a normal sales campaign with an Advantage Plus audience. And the way that you can do it is by creating a new sales campaign and duplicating everything from the Advantage Plus into the normal sales campaign. I would highly recommend to you to use an Advantage Plus audience in the normal sales campaign and also use the same creatives. And the last way that you can scale your Advantage Plus campaign is by reducing the amount of budget that goes towards retargeting and increasing the budget that goes towards prospecting. So when you create an Advantage Plus campaign and you scroll down, you see that there's a checkbox with existing customer budget cap. You can click on this, and at the moment it's not gonna allow me to edit it, but when you create your Advantage Plus campaign, you'll be able to click here and adjust the amount of budget as a percentage that goes towards prospecting and retargeting. All of the ways that I shared work. It really depends on the account. So for me, as I said earlier, the best way that I found is by increasing the budget with 20% every 3 to 4 days. And I will highly recommend to you to try this first and then move to the rest. Now, what you need to be looking for when it comes to scaling your campaigns. Before you start scaling your campaigns, you need to find your break-even ROAS and your target CPA. This will ensure you scale your campaigns only when you're profitable and when you can allow yourself to scale them. Because when scaling, usually within the first couple of days, results might drop. It doesn't happen every single time, but they might drop. So by finding your target CPA and break-even ROAS, you will ensure that you're profitable before scaling. And the way that you can find your break-even ROAS is by going to your calculator and dividing 1 by your profit margin. So let's say your profit margins are 70%, that equals 0.014, and then you're gonna multiply by 100. So if your profit margins are 70%, your break-even ROAS is 1.4, which is really good. And if your break-even ROAS is 1.4, please ensure your ROAS is at least 3 before you start scaling. When you scale campaigns, as I said earlier, usually results will drop. So don't treat yourself, it is completely normal, and don't pause the campaign. If you're feeling uncomfortable when you're scaling, it means you're either low on cash and you can't afford to lose money for a couple of days, you have scaled too aggressively, or you're just inexperienced and don't have the patience for it. And if you're feeling again uncomfortable when scaling, the safest way to do it is by increasing the budget with 10% once a week. You need to ensure that you're done feeling uncomfortable, because with marketing and paid ads, when you feel uncomfortable, you make bad and hasty decisions. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.